What if the way we describe a crime is actually diminishing its severity? This is exactly what the Supreme Court of India believes is happening with the term child pornography. In a landmark ruling, the court has called for an urgent change, urging that the term be replaced with child sexual exploitative and abuse material CSEAM to more accurately capture the true horror of these offenses. The bench, led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.B. Pardiwala, made it clear that child pornography trivializes the crime by associating it with adult consensual acts which do not reflect the non-consensual abusive reality faced by child victims. The court has asked Parliament to amend the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act (POCSO) to adopt this more appropriate terminology, while also suggesting the Union government issue an ordinance to expedite the change. This shift is profound. The term pornography implies consent, which is categorically absent in cases of child exploitation. Using the term CSEAM instead highlights that these materials are not just pornographic but are records of abuse and victimization. The court emphasized that this change in language is crucial for ensuring a more serious and accurate response from both the legal system and society. Responding to a plea addressing the alarming rise of child exploitative materials, the court's ruling could reshape how child sexual abuse is prosecuted and understood across India. This decision represents a critical step in the fight to protect children from exploitation, ensuring that the legal framework reflects the true severity of these crimes. By replacing child pornography with CSEAM, the Supreme Court aims to sharpen focus on the abuse itself, leaving no room for misinterpretation or minimization of the trauma involved. The consequences of this directive could lead to stronger legal protections and increased awareness of child exploitation. Case reference: Just Rights for Children Alliance versus S. Harish, diary number 8562, 2024. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to KanoonPlus channel. Hope to see you again. Goodbye and adios.